Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're joining us for the first time, my name is Leola. It's a gloomy day in Joburg today, and we are experiencing load shedding, so that's why I'm actually standing on this corner. I'm trying to find good lighting so I can finish with my makeup. So today we have a shoot. I won't tell you guys who I'm shooting with, but you guys will find out in a bit. And yeah, let me just finish off doing my makeup, and I'll speak to you guys when we get to the shoot location. And as you can see, I'm the first one on set. Yep, that's me. And this is the studio all the magic will be happening from. Oh, is that my face? Yeah, it's originally like this anyway. Hi, I'm Jimmy Powerhouse. And I'm on Leola's channel. And
Leola's on YouTube.
Yeah, Leola is on YouTube.
Leola has to subscribe. Oh my god.
I've been posting about it.
In the morning, I wanted to show you, because she's more, hers is more like luminous. It's more
24, don't annoy me.
you have 24 siyavlogwa uhamba siyavlogwa sihlala sivlogwa everywhere yo Leola.
Please say something, don't just dance.
Hello guys.
Hello, what?
My name is Mbomi.
And then what?
Yeah. I'm doing my hair. Give us a
Welcome to Leola's channel.
welcome to the best of the best to the best. Welcome guys. So we're currently in the studio. We're shooting the Valentine's Day campaign shoot, range, you know what I'm talking about, I don't know the legal terms. But we've been doing this for about a couple of hours. We have the best in the game. Come, let me introduce you. We have the best in the game. Time to shine.
And now it's the time to run away. Now she ran away.
She's shooting. Oh, she's not done doing her hair.
Hi
Guys, hi Leola's channel. We're at a shoot today. Are we supposed to say what it's for? No, I can't say. You guys will see. Stay tuned.
Okay. And I was this light was this side.
Yeah.
We're gonna tell also like who can find me. You didn't want to be too serious.
Okay. Okay.
I just finished recording a young tutorial for you guys creating this look for Valentine's Day. So today it's Saturday and a friend of mine wants to take me out for drinks. Thing is, we're not even sure where we want to go, so I'll just wait for her and then we'll just figure that out. But in the meantime, let me change and I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Okay, I'm dressed and Kat says she's on her way, so I guess I'll just have to wait a little bit longer, but I look so cute. Oh my god. Love, 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 love this face. So yeah, I'll see you guys when you get to wherever we're going. Guys, we are somewhere in the streets of Melville. So somebody decided to arrive after so many years. There she is. Hi, vlog. Why puff? When I get puff? When I get it? Puff. Puff, puff, pass. Okay, guys, we'll chat in a bit. Let's just walk in. I don't even know if we're gonna chat a lot because most of the places here are so loud. Whatever place we're going to, I'm definitely sure that it's loud. But anywho, Jimmy chooses a pair of shoes. Let's hit the street. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know that the last time I spoke to you guys was like 2 weeks back when I was in Melville with Kat, a friend of mine. And I would like to apologize, guys, first things first, for the music that's playing. I don't know if you can hear it, but there's somebody playing loud music outside. I don't know why, but yeah, they're doing it. And also there's my neighbor's child who's actually screaming. Kuningi. Anyone? Okay, the child decided to actually keep quiet. So anyway guys, I thought I should just come out and actually chat to you guys because it's been 2 weeks, and 2 weeks is a very long time. So I'm just sitting here on this corner which has pictures of me on it, and I think I need like new pictures because these pictures are from like 2 years ago. I think I'm just gonna do like a birthday shoot or something like that, just a cute shoot for just to get new pictures to flood my wall with pictures of me because I love myself that much. Thank you guys. But anyway, I don't know if I mentioned to you guys that I actually suffer from anxiety. I was diagnosed in April 2 years ago, and also next month, which is March, marks a year since I've started hormonal replacement therapy. One of the side effects of HRT is actually anxiety, so it means that I'm actually going through anxiety twice, if that makes sense. So yeah, the past 2 weeks have been, yeah, I've been in bed most of the time, which is not a good thing, but anyway, I do find ways of actually snapping out of it. I don't know how, but yeah, I just do it. And also I've just stopped talking about my problems on social media or to people because I feel like it's pointless talking to people about things that they can't relate to. But yes, I do have a friend of mine that's also suffering from anxiety and depression, so she's the only person that I actually go to when I need to vent or when I need to offload or when I just need to snap out of that dark place. Yeah, so besides that, I just choose to say nothing. I just disappear from the face of the earth and actually come back when I feel better. Otherwise, anxiety is the ghetto. Anyway, what else did I want to talk about? Work, guys. Like, as a freelancer, like, what a dark time to be a freelancer, because like work has been so scarce for me for the past 2 months, meaning that I'm actually broke. So get all the banking details for donating, guys, because I'm going through it, bitch. I'm losing my motherfucking medulla.
Woo! I'm going through it, bitch. I'm losing my motherfucking medulla.
So yeah, but I have very big gigs that are actually lined up in the new month, which is March. So I'm looking forward to that. So guys, as seen on my previous vlog earlier on this month, actually on the 3rd of Feb, I went to Vogue Nights, which was happening in Shine Studios. And out of nowhere, you know, like I was not even drinking that night. Out of nowhere, I decided to walk on stage for the fashion category, or was it runway? Something like that. I was just doing it for fun. It was very much unplanned, and it was a very, very fun experience for me, I won't lie. So 3 days later, I got a call from Mr. All of It telling me that there is the boiler room happening this past weekend. That he wants me to actually walk for their house for the fashion runway category. And I was like, no problem, because I had fun at Vogue Nights, and Boiler Room and Vogue Nights, it's actually like pretty much the same kind of vibe. So I was like, okay, cool, I'll come through. So the only thing I didn't like about the Boiler Room experience is that we had to rehearse and I had to walk a certain way, and for the house walk I needed to master choreography and anything, which was different with Vogue Nights, because at Vogue Nights I was just doing my own thing, just walking the stage, which is what I know how to do and what I enjoy doing. So now having to master the choreography and all of that, it just put a lot of pressure on myself, and then I ended up doing like stupid things on stage and embarrassing myself. So if it's planned and rehearsed and whatever, I don't think I want to do it anymore. I'll still go to balls though. I'll still walk for whatever category I feel like walking at the time, but just for fun, not because I'm competing. Well, if I win, I win. If I don't, I don't. But bottom line is that I'll be doing it for fun. So let me show you what happened at the boiler room. I couldn't really vlog much, but I managed to actually like get clips of a few things that were happening at the boiler room. But it's 99% of the time I was backstage, so I couldn't really vlog, and backstage the lighting was really bad, and at the main venue I was on stage, so there was no way I had my phone on me to actually vlog. And yeah, so this is actually what went down at the boiler room.
More moments for us, sorry.
You shouldn't be breathing, bitch. Walk for us. Bitch, you're gonna have to make it work.
Walk it! Walk it, bitch! Walk it! Walk it! Walk it! Walk it, motherfucking bitch!
Yeah, so that's what happened at the boiler room. And after that, obviously we had like a young after party and whatever. The event was sponsored by Valentine's, so Rebutupile is strong. And then I did an interview with a publication called, it's an online publication called The South African. So they were actually just interviewing me about my life, about being trans, about the beauty industry, about this YouTube, because that's my newly found interest. So if you want to read the article, I'll actually just leave it on the description box so that you guys can check it out. And yeah, it was a very fun interview for me. And yeah, guys, I think that's pretty much all I wanted to chat about. And what else did I want to talk about? Relationships, no. That part of my life is actually not so interesting right now, so let's not go there. Let's not go there. Men are the ghetto, guys. If you get a chance, stay away from men. They are not good people. They are not good people. I'm sorry, but I said what I said.
Hi, I'm welcoming myself on Leola's channel. What do we have here? in the house. Camelo, what are you doing here? Hello, boys. Welcome to my vlog, Trudy. What are we doing tonight?
We're getting down. I just told the DJ to.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel one more time. It's a Sunday and we are going to the botanical gardens for a young picnic, chill vibes, and I'm with Cats. She just went out now in a bit and we make our way to the botanical gardens. Let's go. While it lasted, but now it looks like it's about to rain. Well, it is about to rain, so We just wrapped up our picnic vibe and decided to actually leave. I don't know where we're going, but yeah, we are leaving. I don't know. We go home. I don't know. No, we can't go home. Well, chill at your house, or I don't want to. You don't want to be at the house. That's why I'm not in the house. And he's getting fringe. The fringe is flying like a chicken. But anyway, guys, I'll chat to you guys when we get to wherever we're going. I don't know where we're going, but okay, guys, we actually found a place to escape to. It's just by the stage at the Botanical Garden, so it looks like everyone is having a vibe. So we decided to come here and chill for a bit. What's hanging? My hair.